Want to make everyday life a little smoother and a lot more comfortable? These clever Amazon household gadgets and appliances are designed to simplify your routine, boost convenience, and bring a touch of smart comfort to every corner of your home. From cozy upgrades to time-saving helpers, there's something here for everyone. All products are linked in the description below. Here's a bathroom upgrade you'll never want to live without. This smart bidet seat brings spa-level comfort straight to your toilet complete with warm water cleansing, a heated seat, built-in air dryer, and even a nightlight. It's all remote controlled, so you can adjust everything to your liking. Plus, it automatically deodorizes the air, keeping things fresh and clean every single time. This modular velvet sectional brings style and comfort together in one big, cozy package. With deep seats and a movable ottoman, you can easily switch between a roomy loveseat, a three-seater, or a full lounging setup. The soft velvet feels luxurious, while the plush cushions make it perfect for movie nights or lazy weekends. It's a modern, flexible sofa designed to fit your life and your space beautifully. This 4-in-1 sound machine and aroma diffuser turns your room into a personal relaxation sanctuary. It blends calming scents, gentle lighting, and over 50 natural soundscapes, from ocean waves to soft rain, to help you unwind, focus, or fall asleep faster. The Schumann resonance feature adds a soothing frequency that mimics the Earth's rhythm. Whether for meditation, deep sleep, or stress relief, this little device does it all. Step out of the shower and straight into luxury with this towel warmer bucket. It heats your towels evenly in minutes, no cold spots, just pure comfort. Big enough for 2 oversized towels, robes, or even a blanket. It turns any bathroom into a mini spa. Safe, quiet, and easy to use. It's one of those little upgrades that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Tired of fumbling for the perfect lighting? This smart dimmer switch lets you fine-tune brightness, set schedules, and control everything with your voice through Alexa or Google Home. The keypad is fully customizable. Use it to trigger scenes, group lights, or set moods instantly. Installation's quick, no hub needed, and it's Matter compatible for seamless integration. Smarter lighting starts right at your fingertips. Cooking for your furry friend just got a serious upgrade. This all-in-one pet food multicooker handles everything cooking, mixing, and even dispensing fresh meals made from real, human-grade ingredients. With preset modes for beef, poultry, fish, or grain-free meals, it takes the guesswork out of pet nutrition. It's easy to clean, fully automatic, and delivers fresh, healthy meals your pet will actually look forward to. Comfort and savings, right at your fingertips. This smart thermostat learns your schedule and keeps your home at the perfect temperature automatically. You can control it through your phone or voice with Alexa, Google, or Apple Home. It connects easily over Wi-Fi and even works when offline using your saved schedule. Simple, sleek, and energy efficient, it makes your home smarter and your bills lighter. Why choose between cool air, clean air, or good vibes when you can have all three? This 3-in-1 turbo fan doubles as an air purifier and RGB mood light. It blasts powerful airflow with 100 speed settings, while its HEPA filter keeps your space fresh and dust-free. The rechargeable battery runs for hours, and the smooth oscillation covers every angle. Quiet, sleek, and smart, your new personal comfort zone. Got sweaters that look tired and fuzzy? This sleek fabric shaver brings them back to life in seconds. Its 6 sharp blades and powerful motor glide over your clothes, removing lint and pilling without damaging the fabric. Safe for everything from cotton to cashmere, it makes old clothes look brand new. Recharge it via USB, and you're ready for hours of smooth, effortless refresh. Your feet deserve better after a long day. This shiatsu foot massager melts away tension with deep kneading rollers, gentle heat, and soothing air compression that mimics a real massage. You can adjust the pressure, speed, and time for the perfect experience every time. The spacious design fits even larger feet comfortably, and the cover is washable for easy cleaning. Sit back, relax, and let it handle the rest. Love the glow of candles, but hate the smoke and mess. This electric candle warmer melts wax evenly from the top down. No flames, no soot, just pure fragrance filling your room. You can adjust the lamp height and brightness to control how fast your candle melts and how strong the scent gets. It even has a timer for automatic shutoff. Safe, stylish, and perfect for cozy nights in. Your desk just got a serious upgrade. This compact 3-in-1 charging stand powers your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. No tangled cords, no clutter. The magnetic charger locks your phone perfectly in place so you can tilt or rotate it while it charges. There's even fast charging for your watch and a bonus spot for a second phone. Sleek, travel-ready, and designed to keep your space looking sharp. Say goodbye to guesswork and overcooked steaks. This wireless meat thermometer gives you chef-level control right from your grill, oven, or smoker. Each slim probe packs 6 sensors that track your food and the surrounding air with pinpoint accuracy. You'll get instant updates through a powerful long-range signal that stays connected even through thick lids. Running out of space to dry your laundry? This clever tripod rack pops open in seconds and gives you plenty of room for clothes, towels, or even delicate fabrics. It's sturdy, lightweight, and folds flat when you're done, perfect for apartments or small balconies. The adjustable arms keep your clothes balanced and wrinkle-free. Use it indoors or outdoors, then tuck it away effortlessly once everything's dry. If your showers leave your skin dry or your hair dull, this sleek shower filter might be the fix. It's designed to reduce chlorine and sediment before the water even hits you, leaving your skin softer and your hair smoother. Installation takes minutes, no tools needed, and the filter lasts for months. Plus, that champagne bronze finish adds a touch of luxury to any bathroom setup. Meet the household robot that's always one step ahead. This little helper keeps an eye on your home, checks specific rooms, and even alerts you if it spots something unusual. You can send it on patrols, ask it questions, or have it remind you of daily tasks, all with simple voice commands. When it's off duty, it parks itself quietly nearby, ready for the next mission. Think of it as your personal home companion with wheels. When the heat hits hard, this little fan fights back. It's a handheld cooler with ice compression tech that drops the temperature fast. You'll feel the chill in seconds. With 100 adjustable speeds, you control exactly how much breeze you want. The rechargeable battery lasts for hours, keeping you cool anywhere. Fold it, hold it, or hang it around your neck, instant comfort on the go. Tired of harsh lighting that ruins the vibe? This 2-in-1 floor lamp gives you full control over your atmosphere. The main lamp lights up the room, while the adjustable reading light focuses exactly where you need it. You can dim or change the color temperature from warm to cool, using either the touch panel or remote. Its modern design fits perfectly in any corner, keeping your space stylish and cozy. Ironing doesn't have to be a chore, not with this 2-in-1 steam station. It heats up in just 30 seconds and delivers powerful steam that smooths even the toughest wrinkles. You can use it vertically for hanging clothes or horizontally like a classic iron. The detachable water tank keeps you going longer without refills. And when you're done, it stores neatly on the wall, saving space while looking sleek and modern. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and pet messes with this powerful 2-in-1 carpet and steam cleaner. It uses hot water and steam to lift dirt deep from carpets, upholstery, and even car seats. With 18 kilopascals of suction, it pulls out grime you didn't even know was there. The all-in-one water tank makes cleaning and refilling effortless. It's compact, easy to carry, and leaves every surface fresh and spotless. Ever wonder what your pets do when you're not home? This AI-powered pet camera keeps an eye on them and even tells you what they're up to. It recognizes each of your furry friends by name and tracks their daily activities from nap time to playtime. The 360-degree view and auto-tracking mean you never miss a moment. You can even talk to them through two-way audio and watch adorable highlight reels of their day. Who says air mattresses can't feel like real beds? This luxury air mattress inflates to a double height, giving you that cozy, elevated sleep experience anywhere at home or in a tent. The built-in pump fills it up in minutes and keeps it firm for days. Comfort coil technology keeps the surface stable and supportive all night long. It even packs down easily into its carry bag for effortless storage or travel. Meet the fan that does it all, cools you down in summer and warms you up in winter. This bladeless tower pivots, twists, and oscillates to spread air exactly where you want it. Choose from 10 fan speeds or 3 heating modes for instant comfort all year round. The smart thermostat keeps your ideal temperature steady. Plus, it's quiet, safe, and easy to clean with a sleek, modern design. Ever dreamed of sleeping under the sea? This aquarium bed headboard brings that fantasy to life. Holding hundreds of gallons of water, it turns your bedroom into a living underwater world. Watch colorful fish drift by as you fall asleep. It's like having your own personal reef. And if you're feeling adventurous, it's big enough to take a dip with your aquatic friends. This isn't just a coffee table, it's a command center for your living room. It keeps your drinks chilled with dual fridge drawers built right into the design. You can blast your favorite music through the built-in Bluetooth speakers, or set the mood with glowing ambient lights that move to the beat. A wireless charger and multiple ports keep your devices powered up. Everything's controlled right from the tabletop, no app needed.